And I think that just has to be an not an expectation, but just you need to understand that it's going to happen at some point, and you need to do your best to proactively plan from a maintenance perspective in particular to try and prevent it from happening.
Yeah, one of the thoughts I had when I read this was this something that could have been proactively planned for, or did they even know something like this could happen, or were they completely surprised?
Mm-hmm.
And then we've done a lot of proactive versus reactive stories. So is it possible to focus on every possible thing that could go wrong, or is there a certain percentage that you need to tackle that can minimize it?
Well, we talk about this a lot, like when it comes to risk management, and we sometimes Jeff and I have done a couple of specific podcasts on companies that this is what they do, right? Like they get a bunch of people into a room, and it's like nothing you say is too crazy to plan for. And I feel like when you're planning for something at a facility that makes whiskey, where you transfer it from one machine to another, you need to be able to plan for, like, what if there's a hole in the hose? There are probably only a few things that can go wrong to have this kind of loss in terms of transferring spirits to a different location in the facility. There are not a lot of touch points, I don't think.